Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best milling machines that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional machinist, there's something here for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Auto Tool Home End Mill Cutter Set, coming in at an unbeatable price of just $11.19. This set of 8 high-speed steel HSS end mill cutters is perfect for anyone looking to dip their toes into milling without breaking the bank. With a comprehensive range of sizes from 1/16 inch to 1/2 inch, this set is versatile enough for a variety of tasks, including side milling, end milling, and finish machining. The 4-flute design ensures efficient chip removal and clean, smooth cuts, which is impressive for something at this price point. In terms of build quality, the HSS material offers excellent durability and resistance to abrasion. While it's not suited for heavy-duty industrial use, it performs well for light to medium tasks on softer materials like aluminum, carbon steel, and even wood. The U-shaped groove design on the bottom reduces cutting resistance, making it a user-friendly option for beginners. However, this set does have its limitations. It's not a standalone machine, but rather a collection of cutting tools, so you'll need a compatible machine to use it. It's ideal for hobbyists or those working on smaller, less demanding projects. The low price combined with reasonable performance makes it a great entry-level option for those just starting out. Pros: affordable, versatile size range, and durable construction. Cons: limited to lighter tasks and not a complete milling machine. At number 4, we have the Moukle 12.2-inch milling machine work table, priced at $33.99. This isn't a full milling machine, but rather a versatile and high-quality work table designed to pair with a mini drill or drill bracket. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, this work table offers a sturdy and precise platform for small-scale milling and drilling tasks. Its compact size makes it perfect for workshops with limited space, and it's a great accessory for hobbyists tackling small, intricate projects. The XY axis movement is smooth and precise thanks to its adjustable screws. The table features a travel screw with lock nuts to minimize looseness and ensure accuracy during operation. This is especially beneficial for tasks requiring high precision, such as engraving or crafting fine details in wood or metal. It's also equipped with an adjustable scale, allowing users to make consistent and repeatable adjustments. On the downside, this work table is limited by its size and capacity. It's better suited for lighter tasks and can't handle larger or more demanding projects. Additionally, it requires pairing with a compatible drill, as it lacks its own motor or power source. Overall, the Moukle work table is an excellent budget-friendly option for hobbyists and DIYers who need an affordable, small-scale milling accessory. Pros: sturdy build, precise movement, and affordable. Cons: limited functionality and small size. Coming in at number 3 is the Genmitsu CNC 318 Pro Router Kit, priced at $152. This is a fantastic entry-level CNC milling machine for makers and hobbyists venturing into more complex projects. With its 300 by 180 by 45 millimeter working area, this compact machine is capable of milling and engraving a variety of materials, including plastics, soft aluminum, wood, and acrylics. The inclusion of an offline controller is a great feature, allowing users to operate the machine without needing to connect to a computer. A huge plus for portability and ease of use. The Genmitsu 318 Pro boasts an upgraded design with a raised base height for improved stability and accuracy. It runs on GRBL, an open-source software that's widely supported, making it easy to find resources and community help if you run into any issues. Additionally, the machine comes with Carvaco MakerCam design software, making it accessible even for beginners. Despite being user-friendly, it offers optional upgrades, such as a Y-axis extension kit, for those who want to push the machine's capabilities further. That said, the 318 Pro is not a heavy-duty machine. It's best suited for light materials and hobbyist projects. If you're working with harder metals or need industrial-level precision, you may want to look elsewhere. But for its price, versatility, and ease of use, this machine is hard to beat. Pros: affordable, versatile, and beginner-friendly. Cons: limited to light-duty tasks and smaller projects. At number 2, we have the Clutch Mini Milling Machine, a solid, mid-range option for those looking for a balance of performance and affordability. With a half HP motor and a maximum rotational speed of 2,500 RPM, this machine is powerful enough to handle a range of tasks on materials like aluminum and steel. Its 3 5/8 by 15 3/8 work table provides ample space for most small to medium-sized projects, and the 8 5/8-inch longitudinal travel ensures precision and flexibility. The build quality is excellent, with a durable cast-iron construction that minimizes vibrations during operation. Fine downfeed control allows for accurate tool height settings, making it ideal for detailed work. The machine also supports a half-inch drilling capacity and a 5/8-inch end mill capacity, making it versatile for both drilling and milling tasks. The downside: this machine is heavier and less portable than some of the other options on this list, weighing in at 133 pounds. Additionally, the price information wasn't available at the time of this review, which may deter budget-conscious buyers. However, if you're looking for a reliable, all-around mini milling machine with solid performance, the Clutch Mini is a fantastic choice. Pros: durable build, powerful motor, and precise controls. Cons: heavy and potentially pricey. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.